District Administration na sinnaduna numit ahum chatharakpa training program loisinkhre. Autonomous District Council Conference Hall da enumerators amasung supervisors gidamak chatharakpa training program aduda Kangpokpi Jila manungda government teachers singna house listing and house census HLO for phase 1 of census 2027 gi makhada training lokhatli. Cookie Students Organization Sadar Hills Block ki mityang makhada El Sadai Kangpokpi Town the Grand Felicitation Thoram Pangthokre. Thoram aduda Jila manungda outstanding young sports person Thangsanglen Kipgen Semin Sang Khongsai Lalwang Hau Kip amasung Kim Khongsai bu Kangpokpi MLA Deputy Chief Minister Nyamcha Kipgen na felicitate toki. Thoram aduda KSO leaders, CSO, parents, students amasung cha amahen na well wishers na saruk yaki. Hokhiba August date 8 numitta Honorable Chief Minister Y Kim Chansing na Kangpokpi Jila manungda leiba ahanbagi oina District Dialysis Unit amasung District Blood Storage Facility sangakre. Loinana District Hospital da layengba patients amasung staff ga interaction program sulawkhatli. Makhatana Autonomous District Council Office the Solid Waste Management Vehicle ahum inaugurate toba matung plastic collection bank mga suyen thokhi. Mahakna Jila manungda leiba IDP singa unaraga beneficiaries kaya suyen thokhi. Thoram aduda Kangpokpi Assembly Constituency MLA Nyamcha Kipgen Saitu Assembly Constituency MLA Haukolet Kipgen Outgoing Deputy Commissioner Mahesh Chaudhary amasung Jila manungda CSO kayana saruk yaki. Sparkle Edu Services amasung Career and Counseling Cell IQSC Presidency College Motbungna khutsamnaduna Global Career and Education Opportunities gi hiramda Career Counseling Session pangthokre. Hairiba Thoram asi Presidency College Hall da pangthokhi. Thoram aduda career opportunities in India and abroad, student visa guidance, financial assistance, education loan gi matangda Sparkle Edu Services na guide piki. Makhatana interaction program sa chathari. Thoram aduda Presidency College gi students, professors na thawai yaw na saruk yaki. Thadokuki Literature Society TKLS na Anoba Language System Ability Enhancement Course 2 Pau Chena Hlongpi ho book ama launch toki. Hairiba book asi Presidency College Motbongda Principal Dr. Seikho Kipgen na release toki. Pau Chena Hlongpi ho Hairiba book asi Academic and Language Scholar Dr. Ngamkho Hau Kip na author toba book amani. Major Indian Language MIL second semester undergraduate curriculum gi makhada approve oiriba book asina National Education Policy NEP 2020 amasung National Curriculum Framework NCF gi accordance da follow toba book amani. Loinana book asina focus toba scope C Thado language tambada modern vocabulary contemporary sentence structures amasung learner friendly oiki. Jati asigi national song oiriba Vande Mataram gi chahi 150 surakpagi ningsingbagi thoram Assam Rifles na Kotlen gi khunda Vande Mataram recitation competition amasung Tiranga bike rally gi thoram pangthokre. Thoram aduda Har Ghar Tiranga campaign gi makhada khunja singda Tiranga suying thokhi. Assam Rifles amasung khunja sing gi marakta civil military relations strengthen oinaba amasung naha singna Vande Mataram gi historical significance understand tonaba hotnabagi thoram asi Assam Rifles singna lokhatli. Loinana Vande Mataram saktuna jati asigi apunba mareibak nungsibagi wakhalonda thabak thoram sing tonaba apunbagi phirip lominaki. District Administration Kangpokpi na sinnaduna 80 suba ningtam numit Kangpokpi DC Office Complex da pangthokhi. Deputy Commissioner Kangpokpi gi Heman Kumar na March Past Contingent Parade yingsinbi khi. March Past Parade tarup na saruk yaki. Bharat gi machu ahum gi firal chingkhat ki. Makhata na nat ki oiba zagoi Thadokuki cultural troupe amasung Nepali cultural troupe na utki. Thoram aduda Kangpokpi Superintendent of Police Rahul Gupta IPS Autonomous District Council CEO James Dauzapau amasung Jila asigi official sing na saruk yaki. Mathau ningthina pangthokpa khangatlaba sarkar gi karmachari sing dasu Certificate of Appreciation piduna pukning thogat ki.